Hi, I'm Uncle K. Let's try. Okay, we are studying about adjectives in Korean. So last time we checked attributive use. It's modifying noun directly. So this time we will focus on predicative use. It's describing noun. Okay, we can check through the examples. I'm hungry. Hungry is adjective. It's describing I. It's my condition and my status. I'm hungry. 나는 배고프다. 나는 배고프다. Hungry. You are smart. You are smart. Smart describing you. 너는 똑똑하다. Smart is 똑똑하다. 너는 똑똑하다. They are different. Different describing they. 그들은 다르다. Different. It has meaning 다르다. 다르다. It's different. 그들은 다르다. Okay, here we can check more details. Here is sentence. I'm hungry. 나는 배고프다. We did it before. 나는 배고프다. It's describing sentence. So we can use this kind of sentence. 배고프다 is the base form. 배고프다. It's base form. You can use this sentence. For example, when you use diary and you can write down by yourself about you can use this sentence. But when you talk with someone, you need to change the form of adjective. So in that case, you need to know about adjective conjugation for speaking or for making polite form. So 배고프다 is base form. So when you talk to someone, you can change it to 배고파. This is stem and just change it 파. 배고파. 나는 배고파. I'm hungry. Same meaning, but when you talk to someone, you can use like this. 나는 배고파. And also for polite form, adding 요. 나 is I. Polite form of I is 저. 저는 배고파요. 저는 배고파요. You got it? Let's check the other sentence. You are smart. 너는 똑똑하다. 너는 똑똑하다. So when you talk to someone, 너는 똑똑해. This case, 하다 can change to 해. 너는 똑똑해. In polite form, 당신은 똑똑해요. Adding 요. 당신 is polite form of you. You is 너. Change it to 당신. 당신은 똑똑해요. They are different. 그들은 다르다. 다르다 is base form. This case, you can change 달라. 그들은 달라. 그들은 달라요. It's polite form. Okay, here I'm showing several groups of adjective conjugation. The case, stem plus 아, 좋아. So this is 좋다, has meaning good. We can change 좋아. 많다, has meaning a lot. We can change 많아. 바쁘다, busy. We can change 바빠. So the other case, we can just add 멀다, has meaning far. Change 멀어. 멀어. Polite form, 멀어요. 젊다. Change 젊어. 그는 젊어. In polite form, 젊어요. Adding 요. And the other case, stem plus 해. Here's example. 날씬하다, slim. 뚱뚱하다, fat. 날씬하다, we can change 날씬해. 그녀는 날씬해. 그는 날씬해. 뚱뚱하다, 뚱뚱해. 그는 뚱뚱해요. 그녀는 뚱뚱해요. Another case, plus 여. 느리다. You can change 느려, as meaning slow. 느려. 흐리다, as meaning dim. 흐려. 흐려. 흐려요. Like this, you can change adjective using end of words for speaking and for making polite form. I know it's very confusing, so I think it's better to practice more and more. So don't worry, I will give you explanation every time in every sentence, so we can keep practicing them. And then after you getting familiar with it, should be not that difficult. So just don't worry, and we can keep trying. Here is another sentence. 그는 키가 크다. 크다 is tall. 크다 has meaning big or tall, but we are talking about height, 키. So 키 is tall. 그는 키가 크다. He is tall. So here 크다, 크다. It's base form. In this case, we can change 커. So when you talk to someone, 그는 키가 커. 그는 키가 커. And we can change to polite expression. 그는 키가 커요. 그는 키가 커요. He is tall. Good job. So we learned about adjectives in Korean. Two major function was attributive use, modifying noun directly, and the other function is predicative use, describing noun. When the adjective modifying noun directly, so adjective should be located in front of noun, and also base stem plus ni은 or plus 은. When base stem ends 비읍, change to 운, and verb plus 는 is turned to adjective. And predicative use, describing noun, need adjective conjugation for speaking or for making polite form. Alright, good job. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. For your practice, I will leave slides on my Google Class. You can freely download it. And please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. See you next time.